Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the DJI Neo, DJI's latest entry-level drone that's packed with impressive features. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into drone photography, or an enthusiast seeking a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, the DJI Neo has a lot to offer. We'll be covering everything from its design, camera capabilities, flight performance, and much more to help you decide if this drone is the right fit for you. For more details, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the design. The DJI Neo is a compact, durable drone that feels solid without being bulky. Whether you're new to drones or an experienced pilot, you'll appreciate how portable and lightweight it is, making it super easy to bring along on trips or spontaneous shoots. Even though it's small, this thing is tough. I crashed it probably 15 to 20 times, and it's still going strong without any serious damage. So, you can definitely feel confident that the Neo can handle a few rough landings. Now let's get into what you're really here for, the camera. The DJI Neo shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second, and let me tell you, the footage is stunning. Even in windy conditions, the stabilization technology keeps everything smooth, so your videos look professional, even if you're still learning how to fly. It's perfect for capturing those cinematic shots. I also took some 12MP still photos, and they came out crisp and detailed. The Neo really excels at capturing landscapes, and with its half-an-inch sensor, you're going to get high-quality images even in challenging conditions. What makes the DJI Neo so user-friendly is its AI subject tracking. One of the coolest features is follow mode, where the drone literally follows you as you move. My partner and I took it out to a sunflower field, and the footage was just incredible. The Neo locked onto us and kept us perfectly framed the entire time. Whether you're running, walking, or just exploring, this AI does all the hard work. And if you want more options, the quick shot modes like circle, spotlight, and droney give you easy ways to get creative shots without any hassle. So, it's great for social media content or even just having fun with friends. Let's talk about flight performance. The stabilization on this drone is insane for the price. I flew it over a local park, and even with a bit of wind, the footage was buttery smooth. The DJI Fly app makes it super easy to control the Neo using your smartphone, so you don't even need to bother with a controller if you don't want to. The palm takeoff and landing feature is a game changer too. Just hold out your hand, and the drone will launch from your palm. It's super smooth, and the same goes for landing. It feels really intuitive. One thing to note is that the DJI Neo comes with 22 gigabytes of internal storage, which is great for shorter shoots but might fill up quickly if you're recording in 4K. Luckily, transferring files is easy with the DJI Fly app. Just connect your phone, offload the footage, and keep flying. I found that it's a good idea to do this when swapping batteries, which leads me to battery life. The Neo has solid flight time, but if you're planning on shooting for extended periods, I'd recommend carrying extra batteries. Swapping them out is quick and easy, so it won't interrupt your shoot too much. In short, the DJI Neo offers a great mix of affordability and performance. For around $199, you get a compact, easy-to-fly drone that delivers impressive 4K footage. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone user, the Neo is a fantastic option for capturing stunning aerial shots without breaking the bank. So, is the DJI Neo worth it? Absolutely. This drone may be small, but it punches well above its weight. With a durable design, it can handle a few bumps and crashes while still delivering high-quality 4K footage and smooth, stable shots. Its user-friendly features like AI subject tracking, quick shot modes, and palm takeoff and landing make it accessible to both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Whether you're creating content for social media, capturing breathtaking landscapes, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, the DJI Neo delivers an impressive experience at an affordable price. It's compact, reliable, and most importantly, fun to use. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly drone that doesn't compromise on quality, the Neo is an excellent choice. And this is the review of DJI Neo. If you want more information about this drone, you will find the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.